Hey Manolo, can you help film a TikTok video for me?
Sure.
Wow, 8 views. Worth it. So worth it. Great news. The vending machine is getting promoted.
Wait, what does a vending machine know about sales?
Manolo, all it does is sell. That's its whole deal.
Yeah, but I have seniority.
Uh, we installed it a week before you started working here, so it's been here longer than you. Go congratulate it.
Okay. Hey, I just found out you got the promotion instead of me.
Yeah, I did. Isn't it great? Oh,
Yeah, I hope you get a summer home this year.
summer home. Oh no, I'm going all out. I'm getting a summer, spring, fall, winter home. You know, all the seasons.
I was gonna do that. Hmm.
Oh, wait, before you go, it's not all good news for me. I got you something too. Here, let me dispense it. Zzz, plop.
Oh man,
I'm just messing with you, man.
I was hoping it was candy.
Knock, knock. Hey, Manolo, you got to get rid of that bird.
What bird?
Your pet bird outside the window.
It's just a hawk that nested on a ledge.
If you have a pet, everyone's going to want to bring in their pets. We can't have that. Just tell it to go.
Alright. Hey bird, you have to go.
What? I just set up my router. Hey, if you get to bring in your pet, I'm going to bring in my loud Tamagotchi.
I need free cold brew or I'll die.
Ah, I belong here. Hello, Vice President of Sales speaking. D3, coming right up. Zzz.